had breakfast?
What?
Look at his black eyes. Did he have breakfast this morning?
He meows it all. He meows it all.
Clancy, did you feed him breakfast?
No.
You haven't.
He's chasing around.
So that's why he's carrying on, is it? Hey? So Riley didn't get him breakfast.
Did he have his breakfast?
He had breakfast. Well, come on. Yeah.
Hey, easy, pussy. He's got wavy legs. He's got wavy legs. Ah, the tail's fucked up. Ah, he's a fat. Ah, you're in. You're in.